All right, guys, short video tonight. But let me start with this. New people in chat, please read that. Pause the video if you have to. The SPY looks like it gapped up to all-time highs. If you go to 5-minute candles, you see, that wasn't 5-minute candles. You'll see that it was pretty weak all day, right? Again, teamwork in chat. You guys did a great job of finding the stuff that was moving. We focused on the rare earths because that was really the big sector today. CRML Kevin P gave a inside 5 entry, which was $3.26. Pretty damn close to the low of day early. And you can see what it did. It went to 414. Great post by Kevin P. There were others. I gave it a late day entry in NB through 4, which worked right away. It doesn't seem like much of a run, but the 4 break was right there. And the stop was like a dime below, and we got a quick 33 cents. TMC, got a trade in that. Some pullback plays, I believe, in USAR. Anyway, I had a nice day. Hope you all did too. And I'm going to go into right now what we're watching for tomorrow. It's not a very big list either. TMC is just kind of flagging up here. Most recent high, 812. Today's high, 785. Certainly interesting. If we get through today's high, that 812 will be in sight. And then maybe it's off to the races. We'll see. It's been running for a couple days already. CRML, horizontal line there. Big breakout today. 200-day, I think, is at 438 or something. It might test that. We'll see. I like the looks of that chart for a follow-through day. USAR, very similar chart. Massive volume today and a strong close. Actually ran in after hours, too. It looks like it's 17 in after hours. I couldn't trade after hours, or I might have been in that one for an after hours trade. AIRO, the drone plays, were in favor back here, and you're just kind of flagging on the daily. Still have that on long watch. BT, nice bounce today. And that one, in theory, should run with SBET. And I'll show you SBET went out at the highs again today, and in after hours went to almost 34. So BT, back to that one. It's been pulling back for several days and put in a green candle today. Not sure where that went in after hours. But anyway, we'll keep our eyes on that one for a follow-through day of today's green candle. BTCS, I like this big pop, coiling, and then a nice green candle. But more than that, in after hours, I thought I had this on a chart. ETCS. And after hours, it went as high as 6. I think they had a headline after hours. Looks like it finished the session after hours at 5:53. So absolutely on watch. One of my favorites tomorrow. SGN. Had this gap up the other day, a red day, and is starting to curl back up. So it's kind of interesting to me. GAME gapped up in after hours and went out in the after hours session at $2.14. So absolutely deserves to be on watch. PROK goes on bounce watch. Big move, and then it's, 4 or 5 days in a row down. Could turn up tomorrow. SRFM, also crazy mover. And now we got a couple red days in a row. I like that for a potential bounce tomorrow. And then lastly, not a big list. I told you, GNS, very strong stock. And now we're back down. A couple red days. Could turn back up tomorrow. That's it. I'll see you guys in the pre-market, and we'll add some gappers to this list. Have a great night, and we'll see you in the pre-market.